A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Good morning and assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing well and taking care of yourself. I'm Samia Kaval. I'm working in Barrier Town International Academy as a prep class teacher. This is our maths lecture of C2. Welcome to all of you. Let's start our lesson. And you know how we start our day, in the name of Allah Ta'ala. So everyone raise your hand for dua for learning. Everyone sit straight and read this dua with me. That is, Rabbi Zidni Ilma. O Allah, increase us in knowledge. Ameen. What you need for today's lecture, look at your screen. The first one is C2 Maths Workbook, one pencil and eraser and some colors. Let's start our lesson. What are the objectives of today's lesson? Look at your screen. The first one is addition by counting forwards. Reinforce how many more, fewer than by subtraction. Subtract by number stories. We are going to revise the concepts of addition and subtraction. Everyone take your C2 Maths workbook, page number 41, unit number 6, the last unit of this book. Look at your screen. I'm talking about this page number 41, and this unit activity is about pastries. Everyone hold your pencil. Before doing this page, you know very well what we always do. Yes, you have to write your today's date, and what is the date today? You can see on your screen. Today is 6.11.2020, 6th November 2020. October is finished now and the new month is November 11. 6.11.2020 space H.T again space, and the day is Friday. And where you are going to write, my arrow is telling you. You can see on your screen, top of the page. You will write here. There is no line, but make sure you are writing in a straight line. Then come down, 6.1 activity number, and this is about pastries. Who is in the picture? What you can see on this page? Farhan bought 6 pastries. His mother made 8 pastries for him. How many pastries does Farhan have altogether? Farhan bought 6 pastries. Let's count the pastries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pastries he bought. Then his mother made 8 more pastries for him. Let's count the mother's pastries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now what we have to do? They are asking how many pastries does Farhan have altogether. Count forward from 6 and filling the blanks. 6 plus 8, this is the sign of plus. We always use this sign in addition. 6 plus 8 is equal to dash. You have to write here your correct answer. Now what you have to do? Yes, you have to count all pastries together. Count them all together. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, your answer is 14. How to write 14? You know very well. Write here 14. 1, 4, 14. Your answer is 14. Farhan has dash pastries altogether. Now Farhan has 14 pastries. You will write again 14 in this blank. 14 pastries all together. Come on the next page, page number 42. Just turn your Come on page number 42. You can see on your screen now. Just turn your page, and before doing this page, yes, you will write the same date 6.11.2020 space h.t again space and the day is Friday. You will write top of the page here. Start from the left corner and complete your date. Make sure you are writing in a proper format. Then come down 6.2, activity number 6.2. This is about water bottles. Can you see any water bottle on this page? Yes, a lot of bottles here. Let's see what they are asking. Color 3 water bottles red and 5 water bottles blue. What you have to do? You need to color 3 bottles red. 1, 2, 3. They should be red, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 should be blue. Red and blue color you will color them. Then next is circle the correct answer. There are more / fewer blue water bottles than red water bottles. There are more or fewer blue water bottles than red water bottles. You colored 3 bottles red and 5 bottles blue. So which one is more, blue or red? Excellent, blue. There are more blue water bottles than red water bottles. You have to circle the correct answer. You have to circle the correct word more, and the correct word is more, M-O-R-E, more. You will circle this word more. There are more blue water bottles than red water bottles. Filling the blanks. How many more blue water bottles are there than red ones? There are blue water bottles. How many? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then there are red water bottles. How many bottles did you color red? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 red water bottles. 5 and 3. Now here is a question. 5 minus 3. Here is a sign of minus. We always use in subtraction. 5 minus 3 is equal to dash. If we cross 3 bottles, 1, 2, 3. How many left blue bottles? 1, 2. So your answer is 2. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. You will write here number 2 in a blank. There are more blue water bottles than red water bottles. Yes, your answer is 2. You will write here 2 again. There are 2 more blue water bottles than red water bottles. Come on the next page, page number 43. Just turn your book. Page number 43. You can see on your screen now. Again you will write the same date 6.11.2020 space h.t again space and the day is Friday. Write top of the page. Then activity 6.3, and this is about Nadir's sweets. Nadir has, who is he? He is Nadir, and she is Naila, and he is Tariq. Now what they are asking, Nadir has 5 packets of sweets. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 packets of sweets. Color the packets with 4 sweets purple. Now you need to find where there are 4 sweets in a packet. You will color them purple. Yes, the first two, these two are purple. They should be purple. Color the packets with 2 sweets green. Now, where there are 2 sweets in a packet, you will color them green. You are going to use purple and green color on this page. Nadir gives Tariq the purple packets. The purple, the first one, where there are 4 candies in a packet, that will be purple, and where there are 2 candies in a packet, that will be green. So he gave purple packet to Tariq. He is Tariq. He gives Naila the green packets. Yes, he gives Naila the green packet with 2 candies. Match Tariq and Naila to the packets they are given. Nadir gave purple packet to Tariq, so you are going to match Tariq with purple one with 4 candies and Naila with 2 candies, the green one. Filling the blanks. How many more sweets does Tariq get than Naila? Naila gets dash sweets and Tariq gets dash sweets. Now let's count their sweets. First we will count Tariq sweets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tariq got 8 sweets and Naila got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sweets. Naila gets 6 sweets. You are going to write here 6 sweets, and Tariq gets 8 sweets. What you have to write in these blanks? Naila gets 6 sweets and Tariq gets 8 sweets. So come down, there are blanks, you need to fill them. In the first blank you will write 8 because 8 is bigger number than 6. 8 minus 6 is equal to dash. You can make lines over here, 8 lines, and then you need to cut 6 lines. Cut the 6 lines, then you will get your answer. You need to count the leftover lines. 8 minus 6 is equal to dash. So start making 8 lines here and cut the 6 lines, and then count the leftover lines. How many lines are left? That will be your answer. Tariq gets dash more sweets than Naila, and your answer is 2. You will write here number 2. Tariq gets 2 more sweets than Naila. You are going to write 2 again. 8 minus 6 is equal to dash. Your answer is 2, so you will write here number 2, and again in a last blank you will write number 2. Tariq gets 2 more sweets than Naila. Come on. The last page of this book, page number 44. Look at this page. Just turn your page. Page number 44. Nadir at the park. Where is he? At the park. But before doing this page, what you have to do, you will write the same date 6.11.2020 space h.t again space and the day is Friday. Write down the same date on top of the page here. Write in a straight line please with proper spacing. Then Nadir at the park. Nadir is counting the number of birds on the tree. Here is a tree and the birds are sitting on this tree and he is counting the birds. Filling the blanks, they are saying there are dash birds on the tree. Let's count the birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 birds. Write number 6 in a blank. There are 6 birds on the tree. 3 birds fly away. Can you see the birds? Those are flying away. 3 birds. 1, 2, 3. 3 birds are flying away. How many birds are left? How many birds on a tree? 6. So you are going to write here number 6. Write 6 in a blank. 6 minus 3. Why they are writing here 3? Excellent, because 3 birds are flying away. So 6 minus 3 is equal to dash. How many are left? If you cross 3 birds here, 1, 2, 3, how many left? 1, 2, 3, 3 are left. So you will write here number 3. Your answer is 3. Write here 6 minus 3 is equal to dash. Your answer is 3. You will write here 3. In the last blank you will write dash birds are left. 3 birds are left. Again you will write number 3 here. And this is all about your unit number 6. You have done this unit. This is about subtraction and addition. This is all about today's lecture. Thank you for listening. Take care of yourself and remember us in your prayers. See you in the next week inshallah. Allah Hafiz.